For the ones that are like balking on like the term, like, oh, you're gonna start the clock over again. Like, how do you turn that around?
Yeah. So how I turn that around is I say, okay, so the perks and entitlement is really focused on helping you get out of FHA much sooner. So if you stayed on the loan in the term that you're in right now, it may take you an extra couple years, whereas this should be able to compact that down to 6 months. So in 6 months, we're actually going to set you up to refinance out of FHA, right? Here's the thing is that at that time, we can go ahead and look at bringing it back down to 27 years, right? So you're not going backwards. Does that make sense? What you're trying to do is find out that one pain that you're leaning on, say, yeah, we got to do this first. And then when you're in a better position, then we'll talk about reducing the term. But our focus right now is to help you get that mortgage insurance off.
Yeah, that's how I usually approach the FHA stream one. It's the VA one. They're like a little bit apprehensive when it comes to starting over, you know?
Yeah, going backwards, right? And so usually what I notice, it's very rare you'll find a VA loan that doesn't have debt. And so then that's the pain that you leverage on to kind of push the message. So you say, you know, you've been in the house for 5 years, just use this perk that you're already entitled to, just so we could activate the savings so you could pay down the credit card debt, improve your FICO. And in about 6 to 12 months, I'm going to call you back again. And then we're going to talk about getting into a 25-year, but you'll have a higher FICO. You'll have more cash, more assets, more equity in the home, things like that. If you address it and they know that there's a plan, that's all they really want, right? They think they are stuck on a 30, but if they have a plan understanding that, yeah, I'm going to go back to 30, but then I'm going to go back to 27-year fix in a year after my FICO's better, after I'm not check to check, right? Hell yeah, sounds like a mother plan.
And never follow the plan, dude.
Yeah, I know. They sound all smart at the very beginning. Oh, but I don't want to go back. You know what I mean? Like, oh, I don't want to pay fees. Bro, you're paying a ton of fees every month in these credit cards. You know what I mean? That's how they're raised, is to say those things. And no matter what they say, if they say that they got to pay it off by the 3rd of next month, we're always on that same page. Oh, well, good thing is that this entitlement will help you do just that, right? It'll help you avoid the fees. It'll help you do this. It'll help you do that. So good thing we're putting this in place for you. This is just going to expedite the result. It's going to give you immediate gratification.